Alright guys, I had some problems with my graphics card, and I watched a video on how to take it apart, and I watched another video on about how taking a hair dryer or a heat gun and hitting your graphics card for a period of time will fix it. So I've gone through those steps. I'll link the videos down below about how to take apart a laptop. That wasn't me, it was just some other guy. And also the one where he said about heating up your laptop. Well, I didn't do the foil that he did, but I will use a hairdryer and see if that works. Before that, I should probably describe that my laptop will turn on, but the screen will stay blank, and it seems like it won't boot up. And afterwards, after I heat up the graphics card, I'll show you. I'll add in a video of how to put it back together, just because. Well, let's go take a look at the laptop right now. So as you can see, I took about just so you can see what the inside of a laptop looks like. Took that apart. Use some basic tools here, tweezer. Oh, that's the heatsink right there. Here I got some of the other parts. Here's the main face of the laptop where you have your touchpad. We have have a keyboard. Here you have the disk drive, and you have the hard drive, and you have some RAM. It's pretty cool. Okay. Here we have the graphics card. That is the graphics card. There's the little fan. Let's see what it's like. Yeah. And here's the blow dryer we'll be using. Probably won't show you guys everything just because it's too long. But go ahead and set it to high. Go ahead and do this for about 10 minutes or so. Alright, so I've just heated up the graphics card, and hopefully it'll work. Just gotta reassemble it and, cross our fingers. Okay, now there are a lot of other screws that I need to put in just for the casing's sake. I'll just hold the casing over, but I'm anxious to try it out now, and I can plug it in now. Let's try it out. See what it's turn on. Then we'll continue the plugging later. Just got my power cord. It's a moment of truth. As you can see, the little power light on. My battery's disconnected, but you know, it should still work. Let's see. Well, back to where we started. As you can see, that's lighting up. Still no screen. Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, and it's been a couple days since I did the hair dryer graphics card thing. Apparently, I made a mistake in I accidentally heated up the processor instead of the graphics card. I'll put a screenshot and put the arrows where the actual graphics cards were, and so I redid it again, except this time I borrowed a heat gun from work, and I used it, and I did the same process, took it apart and heated it up again, and last time it didn't work. Check it out now. What do you know? It's working. Just my best stop right here. So, if you have any questions on taking apart your laptop or putting it back together and heating up your graphics card and all that, leave a comment somewhere in the YouTube thing, and I'll be back with some other random video.